Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to act fast. Start by scraping off solids with a spoon, then blot the stain with a clean cloth to lift surface sauce. Avoid rubbing, which forces pigment deeper. Next, test your cleaning mix, 1 cup cold water with 1 teaspoon dish soap, on an unseen patch so you know it won't damage fibers. Once safe, apply club soda or the tested mix to the stain to begin dissolving sugars and loosening particles. Keep blotting upward to transfer stain out of the carpet. Once the surface lift is underway, focus on controlled extraction. You should work from the edges inward so you don't spread the sauce. Apply the cleaning solution sparingly and scrub gently with a soft brush to break up tomato pigment and oil. Dish soap targets oils while vinegar helps cut acidity and color. After agitation, rinse the area with small amounts of cold water and blot with clean towels to draw out loosened stain. Make sure to repeat apply scrub-rinse cycles until you notice you're nearly done. Rinse the treated area well to remove detergent residue because leftover soap attracts new dirt. Then blot and press with dry towels, changing them as they absorb moisture. Once mostly dry, speed evaporation with a fan or a hairdryer on cool. Make sure the carpet is fully dry before vacuuming to restore pile. If a ghost of the stain persists, try an enzyme cleaner for organic residue or a mild oxidizing spot treatment. If that fails, make sure to contact a professional steam cleaner for deep extraction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.